leaves. They'll be colored afterwards. And the employees are hard at work making these beautiful leaves. This is sort of what they're going to look like, but I'm doing it on water soluble, so there will not be any cut edges. But this is what coloring with Copics looks like afterwards.